All right, this is a review video about solving systems by elimination. So I'm going to give you systems to solve. You work it out, put your answer in, and then watch to see if you did it correctly. The first equation, x plus y equals 10, and x minus y equals 4. So we got to choose a variable to eliminate. We're going to eliminate the y's because one's positive and one's negative. Combine your like terms, so x and x combine to give me 2x, and 10 and 4 to combine to give me 14. So I want to solve for x on doing that, so I'm going to do that using the division property. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2, eliminate, and I know x equals 7. So that's to find the first variable. Now we need to find the second variable. So we choose either one of our equations. I'm going to choose the top equation, x plus y equals 10. And you want to substitute your answer for x into that equation. So I'm going to change the x to be 7 plus y equals 10. Now I want to solve for y. So I'm going to use the subtraction property of equality to eliminate the 7. So I subtract 7 from both sides. So that gives me y equals 3. So I got to remember to write my answer as an ordered pair. So the x coordinate is 7 and the y coordinate is 3. So my solution to that system is 7, 3. The next example I want you to solve is negative x plus y equals 3 and x plus y equals 5. So you solve that. If you solved it correctly, you eliminated the x terms because one's positive and one's negative. Combine your y terms, so y plus y is 2y, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So to solve that, I want to use the division property to eliminate the 2. So when I divide by 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So now I know the value of the y term. Next, I need to know the value of the x term. So I'm going to choose an equation. I'm going to choose the bottom equation because it has no negatives, and that makes it easier for me. So x plus y equals 5. I want to substitute 4 into that equation for y. So x plus 4 equals 5. Then I want to solve it using elimination. So I'm going to eliminate the 4 by subtracting both sides by 4. So my answer is x equals 1. So I need to make sure that I always write my answer as an ordered pair. So the x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate is 4. So the solution to this one is 1, 4. For the final example, I have x plus 4y equals 10 and x plus y equals 1. See if you can solve this one. To solve this one, I do not have a variable that eliminates. So if I multiply everything in the bottom equation by negative 1, that gives me negative x and negative y and negative 1. Now I can eliminate the x terms because one's positive and one's negative. When I can combine 4y and negative y, that gives me 3y. When I combine 10 and negative 1, that gives me 9. So now I want to solve for y, so I'm going to use the division property of equality to eliminate the 3. So that gives me y equals 3. So now that I know the value of the y variable, I've got to decide to find what's the x variable. So I'm going to choose the original bottom equation, which was x plus y equals 1. And I want to substitute in 3 for y, so I would say x plus 3 equals 1. And to solve that, I need to use the subtraction property of equality, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So that leaves me x equals negative 2. So I need to write my answer as an ordered pair, so the x coordinate is negative 2 and the y coordinate is 3. And that is my solution to this system.